Question 7 has a table where you have ages, frequency. We have age 5. We have the frequency means there are 2 people under age 5. Who are age 5? Age 6, you have 2x minus 1. Age 7, you have y plus 2x. Age 8, you have 4 people. Age 9, you have 2 people. And age 10, you have y minus 1 people. Now, see this question. This is not an ordinary table. This is the technicality I'm talking about, or complexity or twists that we have. In a usual table, even when you have letters like x in the table, you always have them as 1, but here in this case you're having 2. That's a form of simultaneous equation in a table. That's in a statistical question. You have 2 unknowns, that's 2 unknown letters, so we should put that in mind first. Let's go down to the question and understand more. The table shows the ages of 20 children. Now these 20 children you see here represents the total number of frequency, or the addition of the frequency, or what we call summation of the frequency. This frequency represents the total number of the children. That means 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus y plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus y minus 1 all sums up to 20. That's what this part of the question is saying. Now, let's go back to the question. The table shows the ages of 20 children in a household. That means all of the frequencies add up to 20. On the next line, given that x ratio y equals 1 ratio 2, find the value of x and y for A, and for B, find the mean age of the children. Looking at the second line, we see that this question that is statistical yet has a form of simultaneous equation also has ratio in it. This is the ratio part of it. And in simultaneous equation, you can't solve for both at the same time. You have to take them one after the other. That means you have to eliminate one or solve for one first before you solve for the second one. And this ratio is going to help us do that. This ratio is going to help us eliminate either x or y. Then we'll solve for x first, then we'll find y later. We'll solve for y first and we'll find x later. So we'll have it as x ratio y is 1 ratio 2. The x takes the 1 and the y takes the 2. What this ratio means is that for every value of x, you have 2 of it for y. So it's like saying when x is 2, y is 4. That's 2 times 2. When x is 3, y will be 6. That's 2 times 3. That's 6. And let's say x is x. Let's say x is x. Then y will be 2 times x, or 2x, which is equals to 2x. So that means y is equals to 2x. That's the value of y is 2x. Therefore, wherever we see y, we can replace it with 2x. Then rather than have y, we'll be having all x under the frequency, and we know they all add up to give you 20. So this will be 2. This is 2x minus 1. This will be 2x plus 2, because y is now 2x. Then you have 4. Then you have 2. Then this is 2x. Since y is 2x, we have 2x minus 1. All equals to 20. So we have only x. Then we'll add them all together and equate it to 20. Then find the value of x. Then we can now find the value of y. For us to make our work easy, we can reposition the table. So we have age here. We have our frequency here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Our first frequency is 2. Next one is 2x minus 1. Next one is y plus 2. We have 4 for 8. We have 2 people at 9. And y minus 1 for 10. Then you know the total up to 20, which was given to us earlier. Now that we know our y is 2x, for those with the value of y, we change it to 2x. So we'll make another table. For the second table, anywhere we have y, we'll change it to 2x. So at 7, we have y plus 2. So we'll change it to 2x plus 2. And at 10, we also have y minus 1. So we'll change it to 2x minus 1. That means we can then find our x. That means 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 equals 20. We can work with this table and add up all the like terms. That means the numbers with x's and the constants separately, then equate them to 20. Or we can do it the manual way, where we have 2 plus 2x minus 1 plus 2x plus 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 should all equals 20. We can then collect like terms, like I've been saying in other videos. If you have a case of having 2x like this, the sign in front of it is owned by it. It owns the sign. You can collect like terms. You can say 2x or plus 2x, then plus 2x, then the other one, last one with plus 2x. You collect like terms, you put them together, so you have 2x plus 2x plus 2x. That's collecting like terms, 1, 2, 3 of them. Then you have this 2 has a plus in front of it, although it's not written. When it's not written, it carries a positive sign, so you have plus 2. Then the next one that follows as a constant is minus 1. Then you have, after that, you have plus 2 plus 4. So you see plus 2 plus 4, then another plus 2, then the last one, which is minus 1, should all equals to 20. Adding like terms, you have 2x plus 2x is 4x plus 2x is 6x. So you have 6x, then plus 2 minus 1. You have 2 and you're owing 1. That's 2 minus 1 is 1. The result of this 2, which is 1, plus 2, that's 3. 1 plus 2, that's 3. 3 plus 4, that's 7. 7 plus 2, that's 9. 9 minus 1, that will be plus 8. Because you have plus 9 minus 1, that will give you plus 8. That's plus 8 equals 20. On the next line, we take out this plus 8 over the equals to sign since we are looking for x. So we have 6x equals 20 minus 8. We have 6x equals 20 minus 8 is 12. Since we're looking for x, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is the number in front of x. That's 6. 6 will cancel 6. X is equal to 6 here 1, 6 here 2. So x is 2. The value for our x we know is 2. And remember, from the ratio we derived that y equals 2x. So if x is 2, y is 2 times x, which is y is 4. So we've gotten the value for our x for the first question. The other part of the first question says find the value of y. So if x is 2 and we know y is equals to 2x, therefore y equals 2 times the value for your x is 2. Y is equals to 2 times 2, that's 4. Our answer is therefore x is 2 and y equals 4. Question B says find the mean age of the children. For us to find the mean age, that means we have to now substitute the numeric value of x and y into the equation. So we have it as normal statistical tables. We have our age here, which is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then we know for frequency, for age 5, we have 2 of them. For age 6, you have 2x minus 1, and you know your x is 2 from here. So it's like saying 2x minus 1, and you know x is 2, so it's 2 times 2 minus 1. 2 times 2 is 4 minus 1, that's 3. So we have 3 children here. The next one is for 7, that's y plus 2. You know y is 4, the value of y is 4, so we change this to 4. Then we have 4 plus 2, so you can say 6. The next one is age 8, we have 4 people, and age 9 we have 2 people, and age 10 we have y minus 1, and we know the value of our y is 4, that's 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3, so we are 3 here. For you to find the mean, that's bar x is equals to summation of fx over summation f. That's addition of multiplying the frequency times the age or value for x over the summation of frequency. We know the summation of frequency is 20. All of this adds up to give you 20. You can test it to know if you're correct. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. 17 plus 3 is 20. That means we're correct. We have our fx to be x represents the ages. Then we have a frequency for our f. So it's fx means f times x. That's 5 times 2 is 10. Then 6 times 3 is 18. 7 times 6 is 42. 8 times 4 is 32. 9 times 2 is 18. Then 10 times 3 is 30. Then we know This is summation of fx. That's addition of fx. Addition of all of these numbers. So we have 10 plus 18 plus 42 plus 32 plus 18 plus 30 will give us 150. And like we have on this side, we know our mean, which is x bar, is equal to summation of fx over summation of f. X bar equals, which is our mean, summation of fx is 150 over summation of f, which is 20. Addition of all the f's, which is 20. Our x bar, which is our mean, is equal to 150 divided by 20. That will give us 7.5. So the mean of the ages is 7.5. That's our final answer for the part B.